Want to upgrade your car audio system and add 4 channels for new aftermarket speakers? You are going to need an aftermarket amplifier, and maybe you are looking for something that can provide a ton of power, yet easily integrate with your existing system. I'm Mark from the YouTube channel Car Audio Fabrication, here today on behalf of AudioControl to show you why you need the AudioControl LC-4.800. This 4-channel 4x200 watts RMS at 2 ohms or 4x125 watts RMS at 4 ohms amplifier not only provides substantial output and amazing sound quality, but has a ton of powerful features. First off, installation is simple. Start with connecting an 8-gauge or larger power wire and ground. Next, if you are using a factory head unit, tap into the speaker wires of the vehicle in order to provide signal to the amplifier, as this amplifier has a line output converter built in. If your factory system has warning chimes on that signal, you can retain them yet control their output with these inputs and adjustment knob here. To connect our new aftermarket speakers, we use the speaker connections here. And keep in mind, this amplifier could be run with 4 speakers, or you could also bridge each of the channel pairs for more powerful speakers. With these connections made, the amplifier will monitor the speaker level inputs, and using AudioControl's GTO or Great Turn-On technology, once a signal is detected, the amplifier will automatically turn on. This amplifier also features AudioControl's patented AccuBASS technology, allowing us to restore bass that is removed from the factory system. Already have an aftermarket head unit or DSP installed? Then provide audio signal to the LC-4.800 with the RCA line level inputs. To avoid sending unwanted frequencies to our new speaker system, we can adjust the included crossovers to fine-tune our audio performance. To properly level match this amplifier with the equipment providing the audio signal, we can first test the source equipment through the amplifier to determine the highest output level before distortion. We can then simply adjust the gain control to determine where the gain is maximized. AudioControl's sold separately ACR-1 remote level control can be attached and mounted near the driver for quick adjustment of the level when needed. We can even use these switches to tell the amplifier which channels to affect. Finally, this amplifier also has a pair of line level outputs. That way we can easily send signal to another amplifier for ease of system expansion. Next time you're looking to add a powerful yet extremely versatile 4-channel amplifier to your car audio system, the LC-4.800 has you covered. For a more advanced video about the LC-4.800, check out the video here on screen. On behalf of AudioControl, thank you for watching.